Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. Complete 2025 guide. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just keeping track of company spending, this step-by-step tutorial will make sure your expense records are accurate and organized. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Zoho Books. Sign in with your existing account credentials. Don't have an account, no worries, just click Sign Up and create one. It's quick and free to get started. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your financial data lives. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Purchases. Click on it. Under Purchases, you'll see a few tabs. Select Expenses. This is your central hub for tracking every business expense you record in Zoho Books. Upload your receipt or bill. Now it's time to bring in the actual document. On the Expenses page, find the option labeled Import Expenses and click it. Next, click Choose File. Browse your computer to locate the receipt or bill you want to upload. Here's a quick tip. Keep your receipts in a dedicated folder, maybe by month or by vendor, so you can find them fast when you need to upload. Zoho Books supports multiple file types, including PDFs, scanned images, and even photos of paper receipts, so you're covered no matter how you keep your records. Select your file and click Upload. The document will now be stored securely in Zoho Books. Review and save the expense. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see a form to fill in key details like expense category, for example, office, supplies, or utilities, date of the expense, vendor name, and payment method. Any applicable taxes, double-check the information to ensure accuracy. When everything looks good, click Save. Congratulations, your receipt is now officially recorded as an expense in Zoho Books. And that's it. A simple, foolproof way to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. Keeping your expenses organized has never been easier, and staying tax-ready is just a few clicks away. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical business tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.